Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete a TikTok video. There's basically two ways where you can, there's basically one way where you can completely delete your TikTok videos, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to launch up TikTok. Now, from TikTok, you're going to go to your profile. From your profile, you're going to choose whatever video you want to delete. Okay, for example, I'll pick this one, and then I'm going to click on the three dots. And from the three dots, I'm going to click on privacy settings, and from privacy settings, you can make it only me. Now, I would highly recommend for you to do it like this, because this basically is not going to show it to anyone. And once you change your mind and you want to upload this video again, you can just change the privacy settings to everyone. But if you don't want to, you can delete the video. If you go on the three dots and scroll all the way to the left, you're going to find something called delete, and once you click on it, you can say if you want to delete this video, and then you're going to click on delete. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.